Leica Lux App Pro manual camera capture raw digital photos. Leica camera now on iPhone. Leica Lux is the first professional photo app developed by a camera manufacturer. The innovative app sets a new standard in smartphone photography, letting you take pictures with the iconic Leica look using your iPhone. Always at hand, Leica Lux brings the captivating Leica experience right to your fingertips using iPhone. This professional camera app seamlessly translates Leica iconic visual language into iPhone photography, capture moments reliably and authentically with the unmistakable Leica look. So here you have it, lens simulation, iconic Leica looks, and then yeah, you can just tap get. And then let's just open it up. Take the look. Advanced color processing, perfect lighting, pro control. And then yeah, you can just, you need to get permissions. Maybe later. So there is pro subscription here. And then so for example, yeah, you can just, here is some my pencil. A lot of quite advanced things. You can then just, I don't know why it's a bit blurry. So yeah, it's a bit more advanced camera where actually you need to set up some of the settings. You can set it up like monochromes. You can select different models of the Leica camera, make different croppings, make a lot of adjustments, add some kind of adjustment like this, different mode, manual controls, mode aperture. So this seems, so now as you can see, if I have auto controls, it's a good photo. But if you have manual, which is quite advanced, mode aperture, then you need actually to have all of this set up yourself, and you have all of this different stuff. Quite cool, right? And adjust aperture. Quite cool. And again, you have all of these formats. Quite cool. So that's the app. If you like a bit more, customizable stuff on your iPhone, that's the idea. It's growing higher in charts. As you can see, it's almost entered top 100 apps in the iOS App Store. So definitely take a look.